Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago po kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Thank you po sa inyong suporta. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Aries, tignan natin ngayon ang mga messages ninyo na lalabas, no, for the month of October, November, and December, no, yung last quarter of the year. Tignan natin ang mga messages dito para sa inyo, okay? So, unang row natin would be, November. No, this is October, sorry. October, November, and December. Kuha muna tayo ng mga cards para tuloy-tuloy na ang pagbabasa natin, ano? So, yan. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Aries. October, November, and then, ano malabas? Excited lang, diba? Why not, Aries? Okay, so November. Ay, bakit palagi na unang November? That is October, November, December. Excited yata yung November dumating yan. Siguro yung October natin magiging mabilis lang. Maring mabilis matapos yung buwan na to. October, November, December. Alrighty. So, set aside na muna natin. Okay, so this is December. This is November, and this is October. Ayan. So, unahin natin si the world energy. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. Kasi, may mga ngayong October, this is the time for your achievement, for your accomplishment. No, this is time for success ninyo. Tagumpay kayo ngayon, Aries. No, there is going to be, endings and beginnings din dito. So, may mga tatrabahuan kayo, projects, pag-aaral, mga ganon, or any endeavor dito na ginawa ninyo for quite a while na, and ngayon it's coming to its completion na. So, kumbaga, finished project na, kumbaga. So, ngayon, magsisimula na naman kayo ng panibago. And as you face this new, phase in your life, no, as you enter this new chapter in your life, this time, level up na kayo. Magle-level up na kayo. You are going to look for more challenge dito. You're going to look for exciting things na gagawin ninyo, kumbaga, no? So, ayun, this is a time for success and celebration of your successes, no? Entitled kayo dyan, Aries, na mag-celebrate kayo because that is your tagumpay. Pinagsikapan ninyo yan, pinaghirapan ninyo yan. So, before you embark on the new beginning, new endeavor dito, i-savor nyo muna yung tagumpay ninyo, no? I-embrace nyo muna talaga, namnamin ninyo ang success ninyo na nakamit ninyo dito, no? So, what else? Solitude. Yeah, so you may need to, put yourself in solitude dito around October dahil siguro, marami kayong pinag-iisipan siguro ngayon, nasisimulan, there are new phase in your life, 'di ba, na haharapin kayo around this time. Kaya before you embark on that, parang pinagsusolitude muna kayo para makapagmuni-muni kayo, para siguro na makapag-re-evaluate kayo ng mga sitwasyon ninyo sa buhay. Ano na ang mga nagawa ninyo, ano na ang mga na-accomplish ninyo, and what is up next, no, for you, Aries. So, kaya kailangan siguro na mag-reflection mode muna kayo before you embark on anything. Nang sa gayon, no, talagang, yung parang, as you level up ngayon sa mga gagawin ninyo, alam nyo na kung ano yung mga hindi na ninyo gagawin, ano na yung alam ninyong mga kailangan pa ninyong gamitin ng mga strategy ninyo before na nag-succeed kayo doon. Yung mga ganun ba, no? So, there are, kailangang parang pag muni-muni and re-evaluation ng mga pangyayari sa buhay ninyo in the past, yung mga natapos nyo nang gawin, kasi maaaring may mga bagay pa kayo doon na magagamit ninyo as you embark on this new beginning, on this new endeavor. May mga inspiration pa kayong makukuha pa out of that. So, we also have desert passage. Trust there is a divine plan. Ayan. So, parang ano kayo dito? Parang may element of taking the leap of faith dito sa mga susunod ninyong gagawin. You are going to try different things talaga dito. Maaring this is something na you've never done before. You've never been to. Kung ito ay place na pupuntahan ninyo, no? And you are just going to trust the divine plan dito, no? Yung parang you are fully surrendering to the natural ebb and flow of life, no? As you embark on this new chapter sa buhay ninyo, Aries. Napakaganda kasi buo ang tiwala ninyo that there is a secret plan for you and you are just going with the flow sa ngayon, no? So beautiful. So we have the Page of Swords. Ayan. So there are information, there are news na maaring matanggap kayo around this time, no, in October, na ito yung magbibigay din ng ng pagkakataon sa inyo para makapag-desisyon kayo, no? It will bring you clarity, it will bring you clear direction on where you are heading dito, no? So that's really beautiful. Okay, so we also have 7 of Pentacles in November, no? So you are waiting for something dito, no? This is a time for reflection and re-evaluation. Parang yung magko-continue on, kayo around October and November. So maybe there are a lot of times na gugugulin ninyo sa pag-re-evaluate ng mga ginawa na ninyo in the past, and kung ano pa ang kailangan ninyong gawin, ano pa ang kulang, yung mga ganon, So this is a time for re-evaluation of things that you've done before. Anong mga kailangan pa ninyong gawin nang sa gayon matupad ninyo yung mga hindi pa natutupad ninyong heart's desires ninyo, or yung hindi pa ninyo natatapos, kumbaga, na mga endeavor. So, maaaring ganon ang ganap dito, no? We also have stand still. Ayan. So, solitude, stand still, magkasabay pa sila, no? In November. So, talagang more solitude dito, no? Parang this is not the time to take action, Aries, no? Parang yun ang sinasabi ng mga cards na to, no? This is not the time to take action, but because this is the time for you to make plans. This is the time for you to strategize. Yung pag-aralan nyo muna kung ano man ang plano ninyo, pag-aralan ninyong mabuti before you embark on that. So parang chillen lang muna kayo dito. Maybe in the past, napagod kayo, marami kayong ginawa, na busy kayo. Ngayon, towards the end of the year, parang chill muna kayo, no? Chill muna. Maybe, siguro ang gagawin ng iba sa inyo dito, Aries, no? It's maybe before the end of the year, like around December, doon siguro kayo magte-take action, or you are going to prepare, no? During these 3 months, at magpe-prepare kayo for the new endeavor na mga gagawin ninyo starting 2024. So, maaaring ganun ang ganap. Kaya there's more solitude, there's more reflection time ang parang hinihingi sa iyo dito, no? ng mga energies na to. We have first light, beginning a new cycle. Ayan, see? Talaga. So, maaring end part ng November, magsisimula na kayo, no? So, ayan. So, maybe, October, towards the half of November siguro, more on planning, solitude, reflection, dissecting ng inyong mga feelings and emotions, mga ganon. And towards the end, no, doon kayo magsisimula na, because this is new beginning energy. So meron kayong sisimulan ditong new beginning na talaga, no, new endeavor, mga ganon. So we have the 7 of Pentacles. Ayan, so this is double message, kasi this is 7 of Pentacles din, and this is 7 of Pentacles as well, no? So, see, parang meron talaga kayong malalim na dapat pag-iisipan dito, no? Parang re-evaluation time talaga dito, kasi maaari din na meron pa kayong hinihintay dito na resulta ng kung ano man ang ginawa ninyo in the past, no? Maaari may mga endeavor pa kayo na siguro bago lang, no? At yun ang hinihintay ninyo din na resulta, kung anong kakalabasan ng ginawa ninyo. So, maaring hindi pa yan tama sa panahon, kaya patuloy pa kayong maghihintay, no? Maaring this is a reminder for you to just continue to cultivate what you have done already, continue to nurture it, kasi when the time is right, no? When the divine timing comes in, talagang makukuha mo din kung ano ang bunga ng inyong pinagsikapan, no? Three of Swords. Ayan, so ang iba sa inyo dito, merong heartbreak, heartache na nangyari for some reason, talagang nasaktan kayo dito. Maaring this is related to love, no? Meron tayong love. So, maaring this is related to love and romantic relationships. Dito, tapos na to Aries. Tapos na to kasi wala nang fresh blood. Matagal na tong nangyari. Pero ang nararamdaman ninyo ngayong sakit ng kalooban is aftermath na lang ng sitwasyon na to. So, this happened already in the past, pero ngayon parang may nagre-remind sa inyo, may mga ganap siguro dito sa buhay ninyo na paminsan na nare-remind kayo ng mga sama ng loob na nangyari dyan, no? So, that is done. You're trying to recover dito. You're trying to, to move on dito kasi at least wala nang fresh blood, diba? So, medyo matagal na pero may tusok pa rin, may sama pa rin kayo ng loob dyan, may mga bagahe pa rin kayo dyan, no? So, that may be related to love and romantic relationship, no? For some of you, Aries. And, also, for others of you naman, maybe now is the time that love is in the air naman for some of you, no? This is for the other group of Aries na maaring now, na kayo, maaring exciting din naman ngayon ang ninyo, ang love ninyo area, kumbaga, no? So dito maaring may mga kasalan din dito, maaring merong may engage dyan, no? There is love connection going on dito, no? For some of you. So we have rainbow blessings. Blessings are showering your life, Aries. Tignan ninyo, blessings are showering your life. Ang daming biyayang parating sa inyo. Maaaring ito na yung inyong hinihintay, no, Aries? Maaaring around December dito dadating ang kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay, because around November, you've been doing solitude, you've been doing reflection, so maaaring nagawa na ninyo dito around November, before the end of the month, no? Maaaring magawa na ninyo dito kung ano pa ang kulang, no? Na sa tingin ninyo, yun ang missing piece, no? Kaya't hindi pa natutupad ang kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo dyan or pinagsisikapan. But maybe, no, mangyayari na yan. Kaya naman, may mga blessings na kayong parating around December. And maaaring ito yung inyong hinihintay. Maaaring this is the fruit of your labor. Dito na hinihintay ninyo sa 7 of Pentacles. So we have judgment, and there is an important decision that needs to be done around December. Maaaring this is related to this, no, heartbreak or heartache, kasi that could be, this could be related to your past relationship. So yun, Aries, maaaring you need to to address kung ano man ang sitwasyon nyo dito from the past na laging bumabalik-balik, no? Kung bakit hindi pa kayo nakakausad dyan or hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on totally dyan. So maybe this is the time also na pag-isipan din ninyo what you need to do, no? Nang sa gayon, hindi na yung bumabalik-balik pa sa ninyo, sa buhay ninyo. Kasi it's done. It's in the past already, diba? Pero parang paminsan, parang hinuhunt pa rin kayo ng nakaraan ninyo Kaya this is also the time that you need to decide, no, to address kung ano pa, kasi meron pang bagahe kayo dyan, meron pang emotional burden, may emotional baggages, and may mga pa kayo, sakit, sama ng loob siguro na nasa dibdib, kaya hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on from that, no? So, Aries, good luck, and that's all I have for you for the next 3 months. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.